One.
Hi, myself Dr.Tharanitharan. This is the third video series of design of transmission system, design of flexible elements, the flat belt drive system we are going to discuss today. Here, what are the classification of the drive system you should know. According to the physical condition of the transmission, the drives are classified into frictional drives such as belts and ropes, toothed drives such as gears and chain drives. According to method of linkages, direct contact and indirect contact wire ropes. Next one is, these are the criteria to select the different drive system. Already this tabulation consists of all power transmission element. Based upon this power, based upon the peripheral speed, based upon the step ratio, based upon the efficiency, we can select the any drive system. This is a criteria to select the drive system. Next, we already discussed the different types of belt drive system basically based on duty, center distance, and based on structure. Based on duty, we have three classification: light duty, medium duty, and heavy duty. Based on center distance, shorter distance is center distance, and longer center distance be belt drive. Based upon the geometry, single V belts, multiple V belts, ribbed belts, and flat belts, tooth belt, and round belts. Here in this session, we are going to see about the flat belt drive system. Design wise, economic wise, this is a best belt drive system. These are the geometry of round belt drive system and time belt drive system. For example, if you want to overcome the slippages, want to need a more overcome the power loss, means the best belt drive system is a time belt drive system. What are the factors influencing the selection of belt drives? To be the power to be transmitted, space availability, speed of the machinery, speed ratio, distance between the axis of the shaft, service condition due to the operating periods and surrounding. What are the advantages and shortcomings of the belt drives? They may transmit the power from one shaft to another when they are situated at long distance. They can operate smoothly without knocking. They protect the other parts of the machine by making the belt to slip over the pulley when load becomes higher than the rated values. Belt drives are simple in design and maintenance is somewhat simple. The cost is also comparatively low compared to V-belt drive system. What are the principal shortcomings? Are large dimension which need more space. These are the cons of flat belt drive system. The velocity of driven number sometimes may not be same as the driving number because of belt slipping. They exert heavy load on shaft and bearing. They may lose power due to friction. Their life is comparatively shorter. These are the different drawbacks of flat belt drive system. What are the materials best for flat belt drive system is based upon the material. We have a leather and cotton belt is best. Leather, we have classification of tanned with vegetable component, tanned with mineral components. Next, cotton, we have two classifications: solid woolen and stretched. Third classification, woolen and rubber. These are the major classification of material for belt for flat belt drive system. Next, pulling material, we have three classification of pulleys available: pressed paper, wood, steel, and cast iron. Based upon the coefficient of friction, we can recommend any one of the material for the application. What are the working characteristics of flat belt drive system? We have two types of flat belt drives are available. For leather belting, the load range varies from 20 Newton per millimeter square to 35 Newton per millimeter square. For cotton or fabrics, it varies from 35 Newton per millimeter square to 40 Newton per millimeter square. Basically, you can call this category as Dunlop 4 type and Dunlop high speed. Dunlop 4 type means heavy duty low speed belt drive. Dunlop high speed belt drive is high speed light duty belt drive. Based upon your requirement, you can select the flat belt drive system. Next, what are the types of joints available in the belt drive system? Is cemented joints, laser joints, cusp joints, and hinge joints. Because of joints only, the slippages will occur during the flat belt drive system. While choosing the belt drive system, first you should careful about by selecting the joints in different belt drive system. What are the efficiency of belt joints? Are cemented joints 80 to 90, laser joint 40 to 50, press joint 25 to 35, hinge joint 30 to 40. These are all the one live example of different belt drive system. This is an open belt drive system. This is, for example, prime mover and driver and driven pulley found to rotate in same direction mean the most preferable types of joints is open belt drive system. Next one is want to other direction means cross belt drive system. Perpendicular power transmission is we can go ahead with quarter belt drive system. What are the steps to design the cross belt drive system is first you should calculate the design power. Next one, power transmitting capacity of the belt should be calculated. Next we should calculate the arc of contact factor for specific belt drive system. Next one is we should design the belt plies based upon the velocity, load rating and selection of belt drives. Next, these are all the primo step to design the flat belt drive system. Thank you.